Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can deactivate our messenger. So for that you need to open up your messenger, and after opening up your messenger just click on the three lines on the top left hand side corner. Here you will find this option of settings, the icon on the right hand side on the top. Just click on it, then scroll down, and here you will find this option of account settings. Sometimes you find the deactivation option in the legal and policies section also, but most of the time you will find it in account settings. So open it up, then click on personal information. Here you will find this option of manage account. Just click on it, and now you will be able to see this option of deactivate. Just click on it and select the reason for your deactivation, and after providing your password you will be able to deactivate your messenger account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.